Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If the AnyDesk toolbars and side panels are taking up too much space or blocking your view of the remote computer, you can easily hide them to create a cleaner workspace. I will show you exactly how to toggle these interface panels off right now. Let's get started. First, if you are in active remote session in windowed mode and the main tool ribbon at the top is taking up too much space, you can easily turn it off. Move your mouse to the Active Session tab at the very top of the AnyDesk window, which usually displays a small monitor icon or the remote connection ID. Right-click directly on this tab and select Toggle Toolbar from the drop-down menu. This will instantly collapse the tool ribbon, and you can simply right-click the tab again to bring it back whenever you need it. Next, if you want to completely hide your local AnyDesk window borders to maximize your view of the remote machine, you should switch to full screen mode. With your session toolbar visible, click the Display Settings icon, which looks like a small monitor, and select Full Screen Mode. In this view, the session toolbar will automatically hide itself at the top edge of your screen, safely out of the way, and will only drop down when you push your mouse pointer to the very top edge. Finally, if you want to clean up the main AnyDesk launch window before you even start a connection, you can collapse the side panel. Look for the small sidebar toggle icon, which typically resembles a square with a vertical line or 3 stacked lines, located near the top left of the main interface, next to the address bar. Clicking this will completely hide your Discovery, Recent Sessions, and Favorites lists, leaving you with a minimal, clutter-free connection window. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.